Welcome to Never Done Projects,
Randy Hutchins
where we are just
in
a
his
silly little YouTube channel.
1993 Chevy Camaro Z20.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment,
Randy
and consider
Hutchins right
joining the
Yeah,
member
earlier
on
we
the
had
wall
Randy Hutchins Jr. Now we got Randy Hutchins III.
for only $4.99 a month.
Well, hello everyone. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, June the 3rd, 2026. Boy, time's really getting away from me here. On today's video, you'll see I am working with the skid steer, clearing the land a little bit more. Get a couple. I think I'm picking it up where we just got back to it after running the tracks off. You'll see I get used to the bucket I built here. It needs to be a little bit longer, so it takes a little bit. If it was probably another 12 inches longer, I could get down a little bit deeper and around it and everything, and able to pull it out a little better. But some of these stumps are pretty good size, and only having, I don't know, that might be 2 foot there, I don't know. But it works good for what the idea I had, and it's doing awesome. I haven't really washed it and checked to see if everything's holding, but I haven't seen any kind of problems out of it. So it's doing good for what I got in it and everything. I am going to try to get another one of these bars and build a boom pole. That's for a future video. But anyway, I'm making good progress on the property, trying to clear it. You'll see how I'm getting the stumps out, getting them moved around. You might see me get aggravated with a stump and go to something else. It takes a minute to get used to running this, or for me anyway. But I'll work on the stump a little bit, and then I may, go back to something else and clear some more property. But what you'll see is it's shaping up for our track, the DYI or whatever Randy calls it. I forget what he says, but downloadable content, whatever he calls it. But I just didn't want to jump right into the video without giving y'all a little bit of a briefing. But that's what I'm going to do in this video, is get out there and get some more land cleared. We got a lot going on, and we got some good future stuff in our plans if I can just get some of this property cleared. So y'all come on along with us, and let's I'll try to put some good songs with it and everything, but because like I said, it's kind of boring just sitting out. I'll put some of Randy's songs in there and just let y'all watch. I'll put a little fast forward and let y'all watch it and just look how much of a difference it's making. But y'all remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy, be safe. Do something today you can smile about tomorrow. Thank you, Nick Capone. I do love that quote. But y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank y'all.
fence line bend, pushing back the thorns where the trail runs thin. Granddad grins from the porch, says, let it roll like every cleared out corner tells a story of gold. One push, then another, wide open under the sky. You can watch a little chaos turn into a cleaner life. That's the sound of progress. That's the skid steer symphony. That's the sound of progress. Turn a wild land into something we can see. Brush down, space found, heartland harmony. That's the sound of progress. That's the skid steer symphony. When the sparks lift off and the embers glow, you can feel that morning in the soul below. New fence, new lane, new way to breathe. Right here in the grid, that's home to me. That's the sound of progress. That's the skid steer symphony. That's the sound of progress, turning wild land into something we can see. Brush down, space found, heartland harmony. That's the sound of progress. That's the skid steer symphony.
I did everything right. I tried to do everything right. I did everything right, and it still went wrong. You did everything right. You tried to do everything right. You did everything right, and it still went wrong. But you do it anyway. You do it anyway. You do it anyway. You do it anyway. Did I do anything wrong? Was I wrong? Did I do anything wrong? Is it all my fault? You did everything right. You tried to do everything right. You did everything right, and it still went wrong. But you do it anyway. You do it anyway. 'Cause that's life.
Alright, that's the two major stumps that caused all my trouble. Still got, there's another one right here. I think it's on the other side of that one I just got. But I believe that's going to be all for tonight. Fill that damn big ass hole in. Like I said, I think there's one, oh, I think there's one right there, and then there's one over there. And then there's one right here, and right there. I got to get those. But I believe that's enough for tonight if I can get out of here.